We're almost at our station now.
Just a few more minutes.
Wait, where is Sophie's bear?
Let's look in your bag first.
It's not in my backpack, Mom.
We'll find it, don't worry.
We don't have much time left.
Can we still find the bear?
Everyone, grab your bags now.
I have everything ready.
Here we are, let's go.
Okay, Dad.
Whew, we made it off in time.
But Sophie's bear didn't.
I know you miss your bear.
I never leave him alone.
The train leaves again soon.
Then we can't go back on.
Wait, I see something on the seat. It's the bear! It's still there! There's my bear, right there!
But the doors could close soon.
I can get it! I'll be so fast!
Jake, wait for me! If anything happens, stay calm and find a safe adult.
I will, Dad, I promise. The seat is over here. There you are, little bear. Got it! Sophie will be so happy. That sound means the doors are closing. Wait for me! Please wait! No, not yet! The doors are closed now.
Jake is still on the train!
Jake, look at us!
It won't open! I can't open it! We're moving! The train is moving!
Stay calm, Jake. We'll find you.
We'll call the station now.
They're really gone now. The sign says no, not while it's moving. It's because of my bear, isn't it?
This isn't your fault, sweetie.
Stay calm and find a safe adult. Breathe in, breathe out. I need to find a train worker now.
Please tell the next station about Jake.
We just need to know he's safe.
Maybe someone is in here.
Hello, little boy. Where is your family?
Your family. They're back at the last station. I went back for my sister's bear.
Don't worry. Let me help you. Can you tell me what your family looks like?
My dad has glasses and a beard. My mom has wavy hair and a scarf.
And what about your sister? I have a boy named Jake here with me.
Did they hear you?
Someone is answering right now. Yes, that is your family, Jake.
They found me. They really did.
I'll send you back on the return train.
Thank you for all your help.
You did the right thing by asking for help.
I remembered what my dad said.
I hope Jake comes back soon.
He will, he's a smart boy.
Is that Jake's train, Mom?
I think it is, look.
Mom, Dad, Sophie, I'm back.
Oh, Jake, I'm so glad you're safe.
I did what Dad said, Mom. Here he is, safe and sound. Thank you, Jake. I'm not worried anymore.
You stayed calm and found a safe adult.
Just like you taught me, Dad.
Next time, we all check together.
And I'll hold my bear tightly.
What an adventure today was.
But we're all together now.